This is basically for free. You're not required to pay anything to join any of these very program. Okay, all you need to do is simply go ahead and set up your mobile app. Go ahead and place some advertisement on the application. Okay, and there are some software you can easily use to develop your own application. And for those that doesn't have any coding skill, there are two that I recommend you go for. Right, you can as well use Flutterflow to create your mobile application. All you need to do is simply build and launch. Okay, or use this particular one right here, which is called Mobirola. So I'm going to simply show you how AdMob works. Okay, first of all you need to do is simply go ahead and create your account. Once your account is created, make sure your account is approved. Okay, right, so next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and get yourself a mobile app. Okay, so all you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end. You can as well create your account here, create your account, sign up for free, or you head over to Flutterflow and you get started for free. Okay, so these platforms are basically for free. Then you need to simply click on this create new app. Okay, so when you click on that, you have to add an app name. Remember, this app name you can change it later. Okay, so you just have to make sure you decide on the type of application you want to build, what people can easily go for, what people can easily download on their mobile phone, and it will be useful for them. Okay, I know most of you have an application that for like 1 year you've not opened it. Okay, so that's not the type of app we're going to build. You're going to simply build an application that people love to see every single day. Okay, so that they will end up visiting your application. So you have to ask ChatGPT to give you like give me like 10 app ideas. Okay, so just type it the way you want it, then give ChatGPT that prompt. You can see right here, these are the top mobile app ideas that ChatGPT has already given us, which means all we have to do is simply get this idea, build one app from this very idea, then send it out for people to use. We have the AI powered content generator app, so you just have to make sure you pick the one you like. When you pick that, head over to this very application right here, which is this software. You have to give it your own word, right? So for instance, I want to use the AI powered content generator. Okay, let's say AI writer. Click on the next button, then you have to simply choose your app template. Okay, all right, so for me, I'm just going to simply choose this very one right here. Let's click on this one. You have to do right now, simply go ahead and add all the details you need for this very application. Okay, you can click on this content section, standard content. We have the HTML content, we have the sub menu and all of that. Okay, you can use this custom HTML, then just tell ChatGPT to give you a perfect HTML code for this type of app. Okay, so let's say custom HTML has been generated. So it's giving us like two different options. This design might be better than this design, or this one might be better than this one. Okay, I'm gonna simply go ahead and click on the copy. Okay, so you can simply click on this copy button here. When you copy that, go back to your app, then click on add app right here. So just click on this source code here. When you click on that, click on this paste button. I'm going to simply paste the code here, then click on this save button. I'm going to simply see how it looks like. You can see right here, this is the preview of the content. You can see where they have to simply write the content here. Then this is where they can easily click on and generate it. Okay, you can see it, give it a prompt here, then your content will appear here. Okay, so if you don't want this, just click on this edit button. Let's check out the other one, how it looks like. Let's delete this one, then click on here, go back to ChatGPT, select the second code, this, which is this one, copy it, come back here, then paste that source code here. Okay, when you paste it, then click on this save button. This design is very much easier and better. You can just use this to build a mobile app for yourself. But if you don't want ChatGPT to give you any code, you just have to head over to your browser and then you search for free AI writer. Go down a little bit, you're going to see there are a lot of AI content generators that you can easily use for this. Okay, if you want to use ChatGPT to build the app, you can simply go ahead and add it, give it some prompt. And if you want me to show you how you can use ChatGPT to build a standard mobile app of your choice, just make sure you join us on our Telegram channel and also on our Patreon, okay, to access our premium content. Okay, and copy come back to your application and click on this website section. When you click on that, go ahead and add a name for this. Let's say AI writer. Okay, so when you add that, go ahead and add the web page right here. Page loading animation, do you want that? You're gonna simply tell them yes. Display toolbar, do you want that? Tell them yes. So just have to make sure you select this, click on this save button, then save it. Okay, so the content has been added. The next thing you have to do right now is simply go to appearance, then go to general settings. So you can add app exit confirmation, so they have to confirm that they want to exit before you accept them. Okay, and for the loading animation, you can simply go ahead and select any of this loading animation. I'm going to select this blue one. Then the next thing you have to do is to simply add your app colors. Okay, any changes you make sure you hit on the save button so that it will be saved on your mobile app. Okay, so let's wait for it. It has been saved already. Then go to the menu section. Then we're going to simply select the type of menu we want for this mobile app. I really like this tray menu button, and you can simply decide to add login to your app. Okay, like people have to log in before they use your app. All you need to do is simply go ahead and select this, then customize it, add the logo, and that's all right. You can add your intro message. For instance, if you want them to see a message or like welcome to AI writer, your favorite AI writing tool. Okay, if you want to add that, this is where you're going to simply write all of those things. Okay, but if you don't want to write, it is very much normal to leave it. Okay, it doesn't stop your ad from displaying. Okay, select this very app. Okay, then add your intro message. Let's say welcome. Okay, so when you add that, click on the save button. Okay, from your approved account. Okay, so for you to add that, click on this monetization, then select advertisement. Okay, if you want people to pay to access a specific option, you have to simply click on this in-app purchase, but we want this app to be free. Okay, then click on this advertisement. So the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and select your app ID. Then click on this, paste the app ID here. Then you have to simply add the same app ID you added here. You have to add it for the iOS. Okay, so select banner and also interstitial. Okay, you have to simply search for AdMob test ad online. For this one, paste it here. Okay, click on this, copy it, then come back to your app. Click on this save button on your application. Okay, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go over to dashboard, click on this generate app, then you have to simply add your phone number right here. Okay, so our number has been verified and we can now generate this with this package name. Okay, so click on this next button. So click on this generate app and your app will be generated automatically. And when this app is generated, go ahead and access that on your mobile phone. Okay, when you're done with that, the next thing you have to do is to publish this very app on any app store of your choice. Okay, so you can use Play Store or App Store or any other external app publishing platforms. Okay, we have the APK Pure, APK Sharp, Miro, we have APK Done. These are places where you can get people that will download your app. You can use the Amazon Developer Console. Okay, this is where you're going to simply upload your application for people to see. And if you want me to make videos about this and how you can promote your application you've already developed, you just have to make sure you comment that on your comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make videos about that. If I don't see your comment, I will know that you know that already, and I will move on with another topic. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we're doing here. See you in the next video.